Once upon a time, in the midst of a long and exhausting war, the city of Orléans was under siege. The English army had surrounded the city for months. People were starving, and hope was slowly fading. The commanders of France? They were weary and unsure. The people? Afraid and hungry. The king? He simply watched, too afraid of losing. But then, a girl appeared. She was not a general, not a knight, not someone trained for war. Her name was Joan. She rode in wearing shining armor, on a white horse, carrying a banner that read, Jesus, Mary, and France. The soldiers laughed.
A teenage girl? Leading an army?
She's just a child.
But Joan did not waver. She rode up to the city gates and shouted to the people,
I have come to end this siege. You are not alone. France will rise again.
The next morning, Joan led the charge at the front. Arrows whizzed past her, but she did not stop. She crossed the river, rallied the soldiers, and told them to pray before battle.
She believes we can win.
Then maybe we can.
One by one, they attacked the English strongholds. Every time Joan raised her banner, the French fought more bravely. Even when she was wounded, an arrow in her shoulder, she rose again.
It's not over yet. Forward.
And finally, on the 8th day of battle, the English retreated. The siege was over. Orléans was free. The people cheered, and soldiers wept. One teenage girl, without a single sword in hand, only the belief in her heart, achieved what trained men could not. Joan didn't win because she was the strongest. She won because even when no one else believed, she believed in herself and in what she was meant to do. And sometimes, that kind of belief is powerful enough to change the course of history.